awesome person, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, that's awesome, then just welcome to my channel. My name is Joy. I do subscription box unboxings, makeup try-ons, and occasionally I throw something else in to keep you on your toes. And today we will be unboxing my Allure Beauty Box for the month of October and discussing if we think it's better, the same, or worse than it used to be when it was for $15 a month. So if you are not familiar with Allure, you can receive, it says now, I think 8+ products. You pay $23 a month plus tax. Shipping is free, and you're going to get, I think, 3 full-size items, and the rest are supposed to be sample or travel size items. Now, they guarantee that the box is going to be over $200 now that you pay more. So let's get into this and see just what we think about the new Allure subscription box. I can already tell you, I don't like this box compared to their old ones, because, like, a second. Is dirty because I use it for my lipstick, but this is their old box, and you could just lift the lid up, use it for all kinds of things, makes it great for storing stuff. This new box, though, you have to open it like this, and yeah, you can still use it for storage, but makes it harder than the other box. So that's the first thing I don't like about their new monthly subscription box. So you do always get an exclusive promo, oh no, I'm sorry, a card. I was reading the top of it. And it always has a beautiful woman. I haven't seen any men yet, so I'm going to assume it's always women. And then it tells you how much the full size of the item would cost and the creator who picked it out. And then on the back, there's usually a sample that don't tell you much of anything. So, okay, first thing I see in here is this Versan Super Eye Serum with retinol, and that is what that looks like. So let's see if I can find that in here really quick. Okay, so this is supposed to be a full-size item, and it retails for $65. This better be really good eye serum for $65. And then the next thing that I see is Carmadian Cream Care Moisturizer with a Retinol Shield by Dr. Jart. And that is a sample size, and the full size retails for $48. Next thing that I see is La Roche-Posay. Gosh, I think of so many dirty things when I say that word. And it is a lip care balm, intense repair moisturizing cream. Oh, it's not for your lips. I read that wrong, y'all. It's just a moisturizing cream. So it looks like that out of the box. And the full size for that retails for $19.99. So shiny, I'm sorry. All right. And then I see this, and it is the Nuco Tropical Sea. That's what that looks like. And then these boxes, I don't want to ruin the boxes in case I don't want it. Where's my handy dandy little knife at? Oh, I put it right here. Okay. So this is what this looks like, and it's a powder. Oh, yeah, it's a powder. So it comes out like that. This is a full-size item, and that is the powder, and it retails for $70. Now, what is it? Why is it? Okay, so it says that if you add it to your favorite skincare before applying, that this gives you, I guess, vitamin C into your daily skin routine. But like $70? Oh. All right, then we have this liquid lipstick by Venom, or maybe Venom is the color. Sigma Stick Liquid Stick is the name of it. I'm probably going to like this. It looks like a beautiful red color. And this is a sample size, which isn't too bad actually. I don't mind getting sample lipsticks. So the full size for this is $20. And that is pretty. Swatch that for you. Oh, that's nice and red. Look at that. Oh yeah, perfect for this season. And then we have a nail polish. And it is by Static Nails Liquid Glass. And it is a full size, and this retails for $16. And there's no way in HE double hockey sticks that I would pay $16 for a little itty bitty nail polish like that. And then we have this European Skincare Hydrating Collagen Eye Pads. You get 2 of them in there. And this is a sample. The full size retails for $18, and you get 5 packets if you buy the whole thing. And I ain't really sure because I don't buy these, so I don't know if that's a good price or not. And then the last thing that they have in here, which they don't tell us the price of, that's on the back of this, is a sample for shampoo and conditioner. And it is from Native Fig, and it is cruelty-free. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is 8 products that if you are new to Allure or you did not pay for the whole year ahead of time, you're paying $23 for a box. And it used to be $15 a box. I am so glad that I got locked in at my $15 price because the last 2 months, I feel the Allure boxes were awesome. We got 8 items in August's box. We got 9 items in September's box. And now they're charging us, what is it, $8 more if you're not locked in to the $15 price. And you're still getting 8 items. And you used to get 2 to 3 full-size items in the old box, and they looked like full-size items. This does not look like a full-size item. I'm sure it is, but it don't look like a full-size item. This does not look like a full-size item. It looks like a sample. And this does not look like a full-size item. Usually your full-size items look like a full-size item. But tell me what you guys think down in the comments below. Tell me if you think that it's worth $23 now, or if you think it's a joke like I do. If Allure does not get better by June of 2021, when my year is up, I will not be staying with the company any longer. I'm only with them still because I paid for the full year. Well, that's all I have for you today. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Remain awesome. Peace.